Oh, chemically sure. We're going to be fixing a leaky toilet. So my toilet, information's on the bottom of the tank here, or the tank lid, sorry. Here's my toilet. I got the dual flush valve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this about a quarter of a turn, and right under here is a rubber seal right here. I'm going to pull this apart and I'm going to go and replace that. Okay, so I used a pick and I got it underneath there, and I was able to pry the seal out from underneath. So this is what I need to replace. I'm going to take this store, match it up. Okay, so I went and got a Corky's dual flush seal kit. Comes with 3 seals, and all you need to do is match it up. The best one. And I think that this one is the closest. It's not perfect, but we're gonna try it out. We just slide it back in. You gotta make sure that you get this little flap inside here. So you just gotta work it around. And once you got it all tucked inside there, all you need to do is stick it back on and just reverse what you did. Don't forget to put the hose back on. And then turn on the water. Once again, that's the Corky's Universal Seal Kit I got from Lowe's. Cost me like $7 or so. So that's another Cave and Cleach Productions. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.